Getting invalid token or authentication errors when making Shopify API requests? In this video, I'll show you how to generate the correct Shopify API access token step by step. First, go to your Shopify dashboard. Click on Apps, then App Settings. Next, go to Develop Apps. Click Build Apps in Dev Dashboard, then create a new app. Give your app a name. Once you land on the app page, don't change anything except the access scopes. Click on Select Scopes and choose the permissions you need. For this tutorial, I'll select Write Products, Read Products, Write Inventory, Read Inventory. This will allow the app to create and manage products. Now, scroll down and click Release. Then click Release again to confirm. After that, click on your app name and select Install App. Install the app on your Shopify store. Next, open Postman and log in. If you don't already have an account, you can create one for free. Go to your workspace and create a new request. The request method is POST. In the URL field, enter https your-shop.myshopify.com/admin/OAUTH/access_token. Now add the following keys and values in the body section. On the first row, key, grant_type, value, client_credentials. On the second row, key, client_ID, value, copy and paste the client ID from your developer dashboard settings. On the third row, key, client_secret, value, copy and paste the client secret from your developer dashboard settings as well. Now, send the request. And that's it. Your permanent Shopify access token is ready. Now open N8N or any other platform and create a new request. Add this header, x-shopify-access-token. Then paste your token as the value. You can now start making authenticated Shopify API requests